Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony, during Thursday's COVID-19 update, expressed optimism that parents will understand the importance of their children becoming vaccinated against COVID-19 when the time arrives.
It is a choice, but we hope that parents would understand that for children to return to school, they should be in a safe environment, and we'll encourage them to make sure that their children get the vaccine.
Since the vaccination rollout in February 2021, a high percentage of the adult population has remained hesitant, despite the government's reassurance that the vaccines are safe. As such, with regards to the adolescent population getting vaccinated, the minister has offered the same assurance to parents who may be hesitant.
The literature on Pfizer and Moderna is out there for everybody to scrutinize. It has been used, millions of doses have been used across the world, and the results have been quite good.
Thus far, the only two vaccines that have been approved for use on persons below the age of 18 are Pfizer and Moderna. To this end, the minister reiterated that the government is diligently working to procure those vaccines. Interestingly, on Wednesday, more than 830,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccines were shipped to 6 Caribbean countries by the United States of America, but Guyana was not included on the list. More so, after nearly a month since the last shipment of Sputnik second doses arrived in the country, the minister said that the government is anticipating the arrival of additional second doses next week. The minister, however, could not provide a formal date on the arrival of the single-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which the government previously announced would arrive this month.
We're awaiting a final date when those vaccines are going to get here, but we anticipate that by next week we'll have a formal timeline.
To date, 279,489 or 57.4% of the country's adult population has received the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. More so, 146,091 persons are now fully vaccinated, representing 30% of the adult population. Meanwhile, it was announced by the minister on Wednesday via a Facebook post on the Ministry of Health's page that due to representations made by various stakeholders to the Ministry of Health with regards to the new gazetted COVID-19 health regulation issued on the 29th of July 2021, healthcare workers, public transport operators, and conductors will be given 2 weeks to comply with the order. According to the order, operators of public transportation and healthcare workers must provide a vaccination card or a negative PCR test. These new measures have resulted in a number of protest actions, with the most recent occurring in Linden when scores of persons staged a protest in representation of healthcare staff who were barred from entering the compound of the Linden Hospital complex. Reporting for the HTP Nightly News, Kendell Richmond.